After a leak showing the front of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, we now have a new image of the back. Even though the phone is only partially visible in these leaks, it confirms some of the rumors we've heard about this top foldable phone. Anthony posted the photo of the back. Anthony says, "It looks good. Square edges, and we also see the bigger cameras with new rings." The most interesting and disappointing part of this leak is the new ridge design around the rear camera lenses. This design, first spotted in a leaked photo of one of the lenses a few days ago, looks cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked, revealing that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, reliable tipster Ice Universe has shared the first full image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This image shows the front of the device and compares it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's clear that the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen, matching the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. In the image above, you can see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 on the left and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on the right. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster has shared a photo that appears to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, reliable leaker Ice Universe has posted a photo that seems to show one of the rear cameras intended for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design and doesn't specify any details about the specs, we doubt Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, comparing it to the Galaxy Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows a reduced hinge, contributing to a sleeker and wider design. What do you think of the new design? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Recently, we saw the first glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. Now the same source has posted the renders of the Z Fold 6 when unfolded. A Twitter user named Ali has posted this new render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, highlighting the changes compared to the Galaxy Fold 5. According to Ali, the differences between the Fold 6 and Fold 5 are subtle yet significant. The Fold 6 is a bit shorter and wider. The bezels are the same size, but the edges are squared off. What do you think about these new renders? Now let's talk about the hands-on and first look of the Z Fold 6. The same source has posted the first live look of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this photo, we can see how the front screen of the Fold 6 looks like. Keep in mind that it's not an actual device. It's a dummy unit, according to the ex-user Ali. According to the Ali, apparently a Fold 6 dummy unit. Found on Korean forum. I don't know how accurate is this. Not just this, Ali posted 2 more photos today. This time we have the live photos of Z Fold 6 dummy while the phone is unfolded. Ali said this appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The squared edges create a notable difference, and the slightly shorter but wider inner screen gives it a distinct look compared to the Fold 5. What do you think about this first live look of the Z Fold 6? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments section. Ice Universe recently mentioned that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a less visible crease compared to the Fold 5, although the crease will still be present. The handset was also spotted on the benchmarking site Geekbench, corroborating rumors that it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. According to previous rumors, the phone will adopt a new boxier design and feature a wider outer screen. It is also said to be thinner and lighter. Not everything is set to change though, as most leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will retain the same 4,400 mAh battery as the outgoing model and maintain the same 25-watt charging speed as the last 4 models. For a while now, we've been hearing whispers about a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Fan Edition. Now yet another model has surfaced in leaks, possibly called the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. We've got some significant updates about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra today, and let me tell you, things just got a whole lot more interesting and a bit confusing. Ross Young and Galaxy Club, two of the most reliable sources in smartphone tech leaks, have shared some exciting details about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will feature larger displays for both the cover and inner screens compared to the regular variant. It will also be significantly thinner, earning it the internal nickname Z Fold 6 Slim. According to Galaxy Club, Samsung also refers to it as the Z Fold 6 Slim Pro. Despite these different names, they all refer to the same device, which Samsung has yet to finalize. For simplicity, let's call it the Z Fold 6 Ultra. Ross Young reports that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will be priced similarly to the regular Z Fold 6 at around $1,800. This is surprising and welcome news, as many anticipated the price would exceed $2,000. It's always great when prices remain steady, especially for a more advanced model. One of the most surprising aspects is that the Z Fold 6 Ultra will not support the S Pen. According to Ross Young, Samsung has removed the digitizer, the component that enables S Pen functionality on the inner display of previous Galaxy Fold models. Without the digitizer, the Z Fold 6 Ultra won't support the S Pen at all, nor will it have a slot for it. This is puzzling, as the Ultra variant is supposed to be an upgrade over the regular model. While it features a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal-breaker for some users. Ross Young also revealed that panel shipments for the Z Fold 6 Ultra will begin in the fourth quarter of this year, with the launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release is a smart strategy, as launching it simultaneously with the Z Fold 6 in July and keeping it exclusive to South Korea could frustrate customers who can't access the improved device. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra? Tipster EvLeaks shared a list of exciting products that Samsung will reveal at its next Galaxy Unpacked event. However, one device was notably missing from EvLeaks' list, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean there won't be a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra coming this year? We don't think so. It's more likely that EvLeaks' list only includes devices coming to the USA, which might not apply to Samsung's first Ultra-branded foldable. After several rumors about a higher-end Galaxy Z Fold 6 model, it was confirmed a few weeks ago that Samsung is indeed working on such a device, possibly called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. It was also revealed that this device is being developed exclusively for the Korean market, and it seems that is still the case. From what we've heard, there are still no signs of a US or international version of the Fold 6 Ultra. Typically, US and international variants of new flagship smartphones appear well before their Korean counterparts. This suggests that Samsung is not following the traditional approach with this phone. In fact, Samsung seems to be doing everything it can to keep information about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra tightly under wraps. We have no solid details about the phone yet, including how the Ultra model will differ from the standard model. Earlier reports suggested Samsung's major event would be on July 10th, but it now appears it will be on July 24th, likely due to their sponsorship of the Summer Olympics. Samsung might announce the devices on July 10th and release them on the 24th. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.